guys, it's me, Josephine, and today I'm making a video what was a wish of one of you, and this is about how to wash the cloth diapers what have actually the plastic on them. So first of all, I used the same oxygen bleach what I made by myself. You can find the recipe over there in my other video. And with this oxygen bleach, you do it almost the same way, but I did not use boiled water because the hot water would destroy the plastic parts of the diapers. So what I did was I used warm water. I also did not use the hot water what comes out of the sink because our sink produces very hot water. And I used just water where I would kind of say it's a bathing temperature. A little warm but not hot. And then I bathed the diapers and I turned it around with my hands, and then I left it there for way less than I would do it with the hot water. With the hot water, the diapers I washed in my other video, I left them there inside for 24 hours. And with those diapers, I left them inside from noon to evening. That's it. And then I could already smell some sort of urine coming out on the water. And I bring them out.
Hi, we're in the bathroom. And I'm washing cloth diapers, stripping them. And I'm stripping the ones that have those plastic parts. So I'm gonna use our, the handle is broken. Our laundry basket from IKEA. Yeah, I'm using this one because I bought that for many reasons. Because I could bathe my daughter in it and I could do those things, and it's also a laundry basket. Even though it's plastic, it has so many uses, and that's why we've got that one. I've got a huge bag of cloth diapers next to me here. Cloth diapers, lots of things. So I got these used cloth diapers and I'm gonna organize them with you guys, and I'm gonna strip them with you, and let's start with this one. This is Bump Genius. So first of all, because whenever I wash diapers, I'll make sure that nothing can hurt something else later and it's all nicely put together. Then I have to figure out, is this insert something I can take out or is it not? It seems like I can't. It seems like it's completely closed. Okay, so I can't take it out, then I will leave it there. Woo! Next one. Okay, this one. This is Polygems, made in USA, imported materials. Okay, I don't know. This is something I can take off, and I will definitely figure out that this goes with that because it has pirates, and this has pirates. Okay, this has no Velcro. No Velcro is great because Velcro is often stuck with the other parts. Okay, this is like the other one with the pirates. Ah, cool, she's brushing my hair. Beautiful. Good that I made my hair ready to leave later. Okay. Ich mach la Okay, usually I've got the whole thing completely filled up. This is already kind of filled up, but if I push it down, then it's kind of like the half. And this is gonna be fine because I have this jar where I always make my mixture of my oxygen bleach, and this is just the half of it because I use it to clean, and that's gonna be fine for this load. So I don't want to use very hot water, because otherwise this would destroy the part here on the back of this diaper, and also here this everything that holds the liquid inside and keeps it inside. This would get destroyed with those kind of fabric diapers. I'm gonna fill this up with warm water, not with hot water. I want to use only warm water. So let's do this. Yeah.
And then I had all those diapers and I went down to the laundry, and then I put them all in the machine, and then I just washed them like I regularly wash cloth diapers. And here you see also how I regularly wash my cloth diapers. I just have my regular soap, what I bought in a huge thing. I think it's not even inside what's written on top anymore, because I bought a huge thing, and this is just the first soap I bought when I moved to the US, and I'm using it to refill from this huge heavy soap, so I don't have to carry that all around the time with me. And then I'm using the apple cider vinegar as a softener for my diapers, and also against any smells, and I use it really for all my clothes. I use exactly that, what I'm using there. To wash only for wool, I wash different, of course. Yeah. In a country, or if you're able to do that in the US, where you can choose the temperature, I would highly recommend to use the temperature 40 degrees, because 60 is too hot. But here I have only white color, delicates, and knits, woolens, and permanent crisp. And then I press white. I hope this video is a big help for you, and you feel now more comfortable washing your own diapers and getting the smell and the bacteria out of them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and of course hit the notification bell if you're interested into more videos like this one, or videos about natural other things what are connected to parenting. Have a good time. Bye.
Ja, siapa dulu? Di bahasa siapa? Pipis. Ja, okay. Lass die einfach alle zeigen. Okay. Noch ein Pipi. Noch ein Pipi. Okay, machst da rein das Pipi. Mach die Pipi. Bye, Pipis. Ja, bye, Pipi-Windeln.